Hello, how are you doing? It's your mathematics teacher Murad Sultan Ezouidi again with you. Okay, we will try to continue at least here through this revision. I will try to solve two exercises for you. Okay, and then I will let you, let's say, do these exercises. Okay, and so that you can be ready for solving any questions that deals with the gradient and okay. If here we can see that if y equal ax squared has a gradient of 12 at point 212, then the value of a is equal 1/6 or 3 or third or 6. Therefore, learners, in order to solve this one, just I will proceed like that. I will insert here an area, okay, a square. Where can I solve the question? Here it's very easy, just should be familiar to this kind of questions because it's like switch. Okay, I'll just write here. Okay, I will insert now, learners, my equation y equal ax squared. Then I should differentiate this. I'll just write here y equal a times the square of what, of x. Okay, this is the function as it is. I will write it here, okay, x to the power 2. This is my function and this is the function y. Okay, now learners, the question is that try to find the value of a. Okay, so the value of a here, you should differentiate your equation. I'll just write this as that. This will give me exactly the first derivative of the function y. It's labeled as y dash or dy with respect to x equal, in fact, 2, okay, equal 2 times ax. Okay, it will be 2 times ax. Okay, and they told you that the gradient, in fact, when x equal 2, it will be let's say it will be, I thought, 12. Okay, you should now tell that therefore you can write that y. I'll just write it here, the gradient. I will write m equal, therefore m is equal the gradient y between parentheses of 2 is equal to 12. Okay, and it will be 2 times a between parentheses times 2. Okay, because x is 2. Okay, therefore this one, learners, is equal to 4a. Okay, and for a, this is the value of the gradient m. Okay, I'll just write it here, m is equal to this one, and you can see that for a, learners, is equal to 12. Therefore I'll just write for a equal 12. Then to find a, learners, you just divide both sides by 4. Okay, I will just now use this one. I will make okay, I'll just write here therefore, or this will give me exactly a equal 12 by 4, which is 3. Okay, 12 by 4, because I divide both sides by 4, and this one is equal to 3. Therefore, learners, this is in fact the correct answer. Okay, I will extend this if it is possible like that. So in your opinion, what is the value of a here? It will be 3. Okay, if you want to check, just make 3 times x squared. Okay, it will be, if you are going to differentiate this, it will be 2 times a, and a is 3, it will be 6 times x. When x equal to, it will be 6 into 2, it will be 12. Therefore we solve the question. So this one is the correct answer, learners. Okay, for the next question, I wish that the charger will work for the second question. Okay, now if f of dash, let's say f dash of x equals 6x squared minus 4x cubed, then the number of inflection point are 3 or 0 or 2, okay, or 1. Therefore, learners, I will start doing that. I will put it here, this here. Okay, if it is possible, of course. I'll come down. Okay, this is the correction of questions that were in the final exam, okay, for previous years. Okay, I'll put it here. Now learners, I'll just comes like that. I will start solving question number 2. I will just set y dash equals 0. Y dash is in fact equal to 6 times x square, 6 times x square minus what exactly? Minus 4x cubed. Okay, 4x cubed. I'll just write it here, x cubed. Okay, x cubed like that. Okay, x to the power 3 means this one should be equal to 0. I told you that you should set y dash equals 0 to find the stationary point equals 0. Therefore this one, learners, means that okay, I'll just write this down. It will be x square. Okay, x square, or I will make, okay, 2x square, no problem. I will make 2x square is a common factor. I'll just write here 2x square between parentheses 3x. Okay, 3x minus or 3, sorry, 3 minus what? Minus 2x, minus 2x. Then I'm going to close the parentheses. Equal what, learners? Equal 0. This will give me exactly, okay, I will go back to this one. Okay, equal 0 means what, learners? Means that okay, means that if now, okay, means that x squared is 0, means I'll just write here, therefore we have two double root, which is x equals 0. Okay, x is equal to 0, or x equals 0, it's a double root. Okay, a repeated root, it's a repeated root, we told. I will extend this so that I can fix like that. So it's called a repeated. Okay, I'm waiting for this. Okay, it's called a repeated root. Okay, or double root. Okay, and therefore, learners, to find the second value, you can see that or x is equal to, or x is equal to, okay, we told that 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, it will be 3 divided by 2, which is 1 over 5. 1 over 5. Okay, now learners, in fact, how many, let's say the number of inflection points here, it will be 3, simply because the function here. Okay, I will just therefore I will cut this one if it is possible. No, I can't. Why? Okay, I will cut this like that. Okay, no problem. Therefore, learners, I will tell that there are in fact 3 points, 3 inflection points here, and the question will be like that. Okay, I will just make this is small. Okay, so that I will make it small if it is possible. 16, 12, whatsoever, 14. Okay, 12. Okay, let's do it as a 12. Therefore, learners, the number of inflection points here is in fact a 3. Okay, simply because x is equal to 0, it's a repeated root, and what else? And x equal to or x, we told that or x is equal to what? Or okay, or x is equal to 3. I'll just write it here, or x equal to 3 divided by 2 divided by 3. Okay, 2 divided by 3. I'll just write 2 divided by 3. What is the equation? This one, 2 divided by 3. This one. Okay, 2 divided by 3, because we have 3 equal to x, 2 over 3. Okay, then this is no need. I'll just raise this one. Okay, 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 okay. So we told that we have 3 roots, means 3 points of 3 inflections points here for the graph. So in order to solve this question, learners, I'll just put enter here. Okay, so in your opinion, we have 0 inflection points or 2 or 1 or 3. Therefore the correct answer is that is 3, because this is the first root and it's a doublet, so two roots, and the last one is the third, so I would just consider this one the correct answer. Thank you for listening. My laptop will be discharged. Okay, I wish that is clear for you learners. I will just save this here. Okay, I will save it. Thank you for listening, and we will see inshallah next time. Thank you, goodbye. I will close this now. Okay, yes, close this. Now I'm going to stop streaming and stop recording. Thank you for listening, learners, and make sure that your teacher is here to help you, okay, and to re-explain things for you, and to